Hey guys, Smallrails here. This is the new passenger stock for the capital connection. I've yet to find out exactly whether these were built out of the Mark II British Rail SW coaches. Still seems to have the wider windows like in the Mark II, the later Mark IIs, and whether they just completely gutted them and added these automated doors. Looking at the ends, yes, they look like they are converted Mark II slash Fs, are they? Ds or Fs, but the later ones that went to the fully air-conditioned versions with the sealed oblong windows. But as you can see, for New Zealand, it is quite a long passenger train. They've actually extended this platform. They extended the length of the Palmerston platform, so this section seems to be all new or refurbished. But yeah, mighty good work. There is plans to have the Greater Wellington Council that actually runs these services in the Greater Wellington region of Lower North Island to actually get some what they call DEMUs, which will mean that they use them on this line up to Palmerston North, but also from Wellington through the Hutt Valley to the Wairarapa, which will mean that they can run on the electrified wires, and like in the Wairarapa situation where the electrification only goes to Upper Hutt, then they can lower the pantographs and actually fire up a diesel engine to run as a diesel electric. But these are pretty impressive actually. Some of my earlier videos showed the old SE coaches, so I think they were probably Mark II slash Es. Which were less modified than the stock that they used in the Wairarapa, where they actually took out the V-shaped windows and actually added full glass sides, even bigger panoramic windows. So this is rather cool. There is a buffet car.